Hey yo, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video from your boy Hunter. Alright, so I had a person asking me if he can connect a controller to the idTechk4a A++, 4a++. Yeah, I cannot even speak properly. Anyway, so there is a way to do that, but remember, if you go into the controls right here, you see this one I'm tapping on. Yeah, it says, note, gamepads / keyboards must be configured in the game, like on PC, not here. Not here. See that? Read. Alright, so there's my controller. Make sure it's connected via Bluetooth. Alright. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start the game. I don't know why I put my earphones on. Alrighty then. Controller connected. I'm not touching the screen. There's my band. That's my controller. Your sticks are already connected. They're already mapped. Don't mess around with the stick settings. Alright, go to options. Use your thumb button. Not your stick, thumb button. Or thumb button. Alright, so you're gonna go to controls. Make sure you go defaults first. So if you have already something weird mapped, it will actually reset everything to default. You can see I can still use the controller. Yeah. Alright, controls. Now don't mess around with a lot of these up and downs and W, A's and B. Don't mess around with those settings. Do not mess around with it. It's already mapped. You cannot remap these. You cannot remap these. Alright. So your sticks you cannot remap. It's already mapped. Alright, so attack and look. Yeah. So I'm not gonna go with that. First we wanna mess around with the crowd, so click on the crowd and let's put it on my stick buttons. Right. So my stick button right here. I'm just gonna click it in. Alright. And let's see, sprint. Oh. I'm gonna go to the other step button. Straight, don't mess around with that. Turn right, turn up, crowd, back crowd. We need jump. I know these are weirdly mapped. You're gonna actually map it, especially if you have a button controller. So be sure to jump. Weapons. You don't really need anything right here except for the flashlight. So that's just preference. You don't have to use my settings exactly, but it's just something I've figured out it's a little easier to get to. Yeah. Alright, so now that's mapped. We're gonna go to attack and look. Attack button. That's gonna be my trigger button. Previous weapon. Don't map that one. We're gonna go next weapon. That's Y. So it's gonna set it to F. You cannot map that one to F. Watch what happens. So you cannot map two at a time. So I'm gonna go next weapon and just set it to Y. Reload. Now everybody uses a controller. Use square for reload. Look up, look down, then mess around with these. Alright, PDA. So that's going to be my select button. Alright, zoom view. Alright, then I think other is not really important, but attack and look, we're already done with this one. Jump should be fine, look should be fine. You can see there's a set mouse wheel down now. Pretty weird. Now other, I'm not really sure you need to do anything by other. slight changes. I'm gonna do a load gain. And we're gonna go straight Mars City, where we actually start off as as nothing. I don't know how long it's gonna take to load. It might actually mess around with my camera, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Now I'm hoping this thing doesn't mess around with my sound again, because I was actually busy editing this on my PC and the sound was off as fuck. Alright, so there we go. It's already lagging out. So that means I'm gonna have to close down idTechk, turn off my camera, and then, yeah. Alright, let me just do that. Otherwise it's not gonna load. Maybe it might, but I'll pause the video. Alright, there we go. Using my controller. But my controller is a little buggy with the trigger button. I actually forgot where to go from here. And we came from this way.
Hey, you! Up here! No place to... I thought I was the only one still alive. I can't believe I found you. Something happened. I don't know what. It was like a Be careful. I don't know what's in there.
I just went in a circle. Actually, right in my room, so it's a little hard to see. Okay, so I see I am not supposed to go this way. Why is it taking me in a circle? Oh, are you kidding me? It's hard to see. Like I said, it's really bright in my room. The one thing I'm going to use my fingers for Whoa, man, come on. So the sound might actually start messing up.
Managed you. This is Specialist Wilson. My team is gone. They're all dead. I'm running blind here. What are my orders? Over. Specialist Wilson. This is Sergeant Kelly. Be sharp, sir. Approach your last known RP and fortify your position. Go first.
Well, there you got it. Mapping your controller on the piece, well, on the idTechk 844 for Doom. But if you know me correctly, I actually prefer to use my, yeah. Come on. But now I cannot use my shooting button anymore. I actually do like to use gyroscope in my games, but unfortunately I cannot do that. But anyway, you saw it works. I'm gonna exit out of this. Come on. What the plunk pop? Damn. Yeah, anyway. So your controller has to be Bluetooth connected. Otherwise it won't work for shit. Alright, so if you found it useful, give it a like. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Sorry about the sound if it's a little off. I cannot do anything about that because my phone isn't really made for the freaking, yeah, that thing. Yeah, for the camera. But unfortunately, I had to explain it with the controller. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.